Hey everyone, if you want to automate your Slack notifications and workflows, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Slack to Zapier so you can save time and keep your team updated automatically. First, sign in to your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button and choose Zap to start a new automation. Next, search for Slack and select it as your trigger or action app, depending on how you want your automation to work. Now choose the trigger or action event. For example, you can trigger a Zap when a new message is posted in a channel, or automatically send a Slack message when something happens in another app. Click Sign In to connect your Slack workspace. Choose your workspace, review the requested permissions, and click Allow to authorize Zapier. After your workspace is connected, select the channel, user, or settings required for your workflow. Then test the connection to make sure everything is working correctly. So if the test is successful, finish configuring your Zap, give it a name, and turn it on. Your Slack automation will now run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs, and that's it. Yeah, you've successfully connected Slack to Zapier. Now you can automate team notifications, messages, and other workflows with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.